host Crystal and welcome to another episode of K Properties. Today we will be checking out this brand new modern contemporary house located inside a high-end subdivision here in Newtown Estate, Pardo, Cebu. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we release new videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials, K Properties on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, let's go. Okay, so before going in, I just like to inform you, please excuse us if you see a lot of mess around the house because they're still doing some finishing touches. But this will be, I think, turnover, next month. So yeah, you can see some construction materials, you can see some workers here. So please excuse the mess, okay? So this is the garage. This can easily fit two cars, two SUVs. Okay, so this one over here, on your right is the laundry area. And you have a door leading to your dining area and living area. Okay, so you have a very spacious laundry area. So you have a mini garden over here. So if you're a plantito, then you can put some plants over there. Then, okay, so this is your kitchen. Okay, so just to give you a glimpse of the guest room, that is the guest room or the maid's room. Can you point the camera towards the room? Okay, so this is your kitchen. This is your control panel. Then over here is the door that leads you back to your laundry area and to the garage. And of course, this is your dining area and your living area. So, okay, just imagine this is your dining area and you have this breathtaking view of the sea. And just look at that. And it's very breezy here, by the way. Okay, so this is your dining area. You have this lights that is over your dining table. Just imagine. Then this one is the stairs that leads you to your plunge pool. Pero merong mga workers ngayon na natutulog doon, but we'll just get a glimpse of the plunge pool later after I show you the rooms. So this one is your living area. Okay, so you can put your TV over here. Then you have some racks here. Pwede mo lagyan ng mga trophies, mga medals, mga pictures. Okay, and this one is your powder room. Okay, so meron siyang toilet bowl, a sink, and a mirror. Okay, so let's head up so that we can see the bedrooms. So, bali, it's a multi-level house kasi meron siyang basement, ground floor, second floor, then meron siyang basement sa baba. So, we have 3 rooms. This is the first room. Actually, this is the master's bedroom. Let's just check the first and second room first. So, this is the first room. Okay. So, you have a bedroom closet. You already have a provision for your AC, a window type AC. Then you have a glass framed windows. Then ito siya, meron siyang screen. You can actually open this so that there's room for ventilation. Then, okay, so this is your first bedroom on the second floor. And this is your second bedroom. So again, you already have a provision for your window type AC. You have a glass frame windows and an awning window for ventilation, and you have a closet, a bedroom closet included. So your first and second bedroom on the second floor shares a bathroom. So meron na siyang handheld and overhead shower. You have your toilet bidet and you have a sink and a mirror. Okay, so let's go back to the master's bedroom. So you have a total of 3 bedrooms on the second floor. So this is your master's bedroom. So your master's bedroom will enjoy a breathtaking view again of the city and the sea. So just look at that. Just imagine your bed is over here, your TV. You already have outlets for your TV and other appliances. You have a cable, provision for cable already. And you have this provision for a window type AC already and an outlet over here. Then I think you can easily fit a queen size or a king size bed here. It's a pretty good size for a master's bedroom. Then this is your ensuite toilet and bath. So they haven't, they don't have electricity yet. So yeah, it's a little dark here, but this is a pretty good size for a for an ensuite toilet and bath. You have your mini parang walk-in closet. You can put your clothes here, your bags. It's really nice. And then you have a glass shower enclosure. Hindi pa siya natapos, but meron siyang glass shower enclosure, meron siyang bidet toilet, and then of course your overhead and handheld shower, and of course your sink and vanity mirror. Okay, so this property sits on a lot area of 150 square meters and a floor area of around 200 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, a maid's room, 2 car garage, sorry, and a plunge pool. So now we're going to the basement area to see the plunge pool. So again, there are workers who are sleeping on the plunge pool, but we can just get a glimpse of the area. Okay, so we're back on the ground floor and we are gonna go and check the basement area. Okay, it's over here. So going down, you have a staircase towards your plunge pool. It's a little dark because again, there's no electricity yet, but yeah, there's lights. There is lights installed at the ceiling. So that is the plunge pool. So as you can see, you can just imagine if you are hosting an event, you can do it here. Diba? You have space over here like a lanai, and you can put some outdoor chairs so that, yeah, you can, dito kayo pwede mag-standby and while nagsiswimming yung iba, and then you have this mini garden over here. So, yeah, and you have a shower area over here, over there. Okay, so let's go back. So again, this is inside a high-end subdivision in Pardo. Pardo is still in Cebu City. So if you're asking how much are they selling this property, they are selling this at 14 million pesos only. So I think that's pretty cheap because it already has a pool and it's still in Cebu City. Parang rare find siya dito sa Cebu sa ganyan na price. Most of the houses with pool na inside sa high-end subdivision are priced at 20 up. So this one is only 14 million. Okay, so I think that sums up our house tour. If you are interested with this property, contact us on the details below. If you are a property owner and if you want to enlist your property with us, don't hesitate to contact us and we are very willing to market your property. Again, this is 𝗚cie𝗶𝗹𝘀 of K Properties, your licensed real estate broker from Cebu, helping you find your dream home. Bye guys!
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.